Hey everyone, today I got my package in from Ravencrest Tactical on their uh, Iron Raven Club, Knife of the Month Club, and this is for July. Let's see how this turned out. There's a scratcher in there for a possibility of getting a free Titan Bravo and a knife and just a plain type black box. So here's a knife for July. Spring assisted. As you can see. Not strong enough to lock it in place though. But $39 is what they charged me for this, and that's, I believe, $29 and $10 in shipping. It has some squeak to it every time it opens. The blade looks very well. The blade looks pretty off center to this. No markings on here on what type of steel is used. So, not sure what type of quality this actually is. We'll scratch off this card here and see if it might be a winner. It looks like it says not a winner. Their scratch-off cards are very soft and screwed up. It definitely kind of hard to see, but it comes off very easily once you actually start scratching it. The film over top of it's hard to scratch, so you have to put some pressure in it, and once you do, it tends to go all the way through. But it looks like it says not a winner. But here's a knife from July. And here is their knife from June. It was also spring assisted, no markings. Not very impressed with any of this. don't know if I'll be doing next month. So, me personally, this is kind of a bust with this company. But I guess what you get what you pay for. Everyone, take care.